Assalamualaikum, I'm Mehar Bilal. We are going to learn Urdu, a new series of our Urdu linguistics. In this series, I shall try to teach Urdu to those people who know English but they want to learn Urdu as their bilingual. Urdu is national language of Pakistan. It is spoken in India, Bangladesh, and many other countries of the world. It is one of most spoken language in the world. So we are going to start Urdu. As each language has its own alphabets, so we shall start Urdu alphabets from first. Urdu alphabets. Just as in English A, B, C, D up to Z are alphabets, similarly Urdu has its own system of letters. There are 37 simple letters and 15 composite letters. We shall start from these 37 letters, and in lecture 1 we shall start from Alif. This is first letter of Urdu alphabet. It is written just as 1. Its sound. Most important thing is sound of letter. Alif sound as A, just as in English we pronounce A. Similarly in Urdu we pronounce A. Its symbol is this one. In Urdu it is called Alif. The next letter is in Urdu language. It is not a separate letter, but for those people who don't know Urdu, they should learn about it. It is simply Alif A with extension. This is symbol, which means it will raise the sound of Alif as double. Simply just write as double A. Its sound will be longer than A. The next one is Be. In Urdu language, this symbol is pronounced as Be. It sounds like as Ba, just similar as we pronounce B in English. Urdu letter Be, Ba, just as Badal, Badar, Bilal, and so on. The next letter is Pe. In Urdu, it is pronounced as Pe. Its sound is Pa, just like P in English. Pa, जैसा परचम, Papa, Panda, and so many letters. The next one is Te. You have to try write in similar way as I am writing and speak as I am speaking and learn their pronunciation, their sound. Ta. Its sound is ta, ta, like as tala, like as taya. The next one is te. It sound as in Urdu te, sound as ta. These both are presented in English by letter T, just as ta, ta, tomato, ta, tub, ta, table, ta, tableau, just sound as te, ta. The next one is se. In Urdu, we call it se, and in English, it's similar as s. Its sound is sa, sa, salas, sa, summer. In similar sounds to s. It is our first lecture in which we have learned a, alif, a, alif mad a, amad, am. These are words from alif mad a. Be sound as ba, badal, barish. Pe sound as pa, parcham, papa, and in English same as p. Te, ta, tala, taya, te, ta, tomato, tub, table, tableau. Sa, se, summer, salas, and its. I think you have learned it. If you have problem in my English speaking, so forgive it. I am not English teacher. I am Urdu teacher. I am just trying to teach Urdu for those who don't know Urdu. So my English pronunciation, English grammar may be mistakes in it, but please forgive it and focus on your Urdu. And I shall try to teach it step by step, and you will learn it very well. Simply if we join these letters like as alif and be, if we join it, it sound as ab, ab. In English, we join letters in separate way, just as a, b, ab. This is ab. Ab means now. In English, we say it now. Ab. You have to try to read letters in proper way and try to make words from these letters. Like as be, te, but. Be and te makes but. In English, we write letters in separately just as apple. Apple. But in Urdu, we cannot write in this way. Letters apples is same. Apple is called same in Urdu. But we cannot write it in this way. We have to write in joining. Just as this part of this, and be. It is beauty of Urdu. We have to write it in joining way. It is difficult for new person, but it's not difficult when you go through it regularly. So try to write them in proper way, and their half shapes also. Just be when we join be, pe, te, te, se. It is whole similar family. So their half shape will be in this form. If we use them in word, they will represent in this form. It is half shape of this family, like as boot. It is bay, and it just like this part. इस तरह से परचम, पेरे पर, wing. This is pay. but their half shape is presented in this word. So keep in mind that Urdu letters have their shapes changeable position to position. When they are used in words, their shape should be half and in this form. I shall try teach you step by step half shapes and you should learn them with letters. I think you have learned it. If you have any problem, you can comment us. If you have any suggestion, then also comment us. If you want to learn Urdu in proper way and in your desired time, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We shall be available here and inshallah tried our best to teach you good Urdu. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.